kiss tastes so sweet. Guess what? I've been wasting my time trying to get through.
Being outside and live music. I mean, you can't beat live music, and we haven't had enough of it in the last 2 years.
These events are what bring people together. It's free. People can just show up, they can get something to eat, they can have some fun with the kids, hear some music, and just relax.
Drink my last bottle, a Johnny Walker Red. Nobody in this house, but me and my empty bed while I'm on pressure.
I think it's awesome. It's great to bring our community together. I've been in Garland for 18 years, and over the past 5 years, they've been doing things like this, and I've really enjoyed it.
Applause for your mayor.
Come on, y'all. Get your hands up. We out here partying in the park. Come on. Finally feels good.
Oh, it's awesome.
I think it's fantastic.
It's awesome. It's free. You can eat while you're here. Kids have fun. So,
There's bouncy houses.
yeah.
Shove it. Give me 11.29. I'm living crank check, a paycheck, and I don't waste time.
And you know what we're trying to do with these shows is really feature a lot of up-and-coming music, local kind of Texas music, and these guys are doing a great job. We are absolutely on our way to becoming a music mecca. We're having this concert series.
You are the sunshine of my life.
The band together on the Square series, again, just live music, and people are so appreciative of that. You know, going through COVID where you couldn't see anything live, and now coming back to where we've got live music every week.
If I can't quit that woman, I believe my fish is cooked.